Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can easily access your to-do list without unlocking your phone. During the day we have a lot of items which we need to note down, and at the end of the day we have to find them, and this will help you to quickly build that items list so that you don't have to unlock your phone or tap on your computer to note those items. Today I will be using iOS shortcut app with Microsoft to-do list, and I will use Siri to dictate a task and it will add that task into my to-do list. So it's very easy, so you don't have to unlock your phone on iOS. Very specifically, I don't have any idea about the Android as of now, but I saw some options, but I have to explore them before I can present to you. So now first, what is iOS shortcut app? So we know a lot of automation capabilities to create the flow of the information from one system to other system, and you can use them in a normal building blocks. So you will just drag and drop the things, you will configure them very simply, and this will help you to get your things very quickly done. So things like, if I have to create a GIF out of my last 5 photos, I will just run a command and it will go to my photos library, pick up my last 5 photos and create a GIF out of it. It's very simple, rather than going and opening an app and then adding those photos and create a GIF. The same way, the Microsoft To Do app is a great way to organize your tasks. The Microsoft To Do app is very popular in the workplace, so a lot of people use it. I use it in my personal workspace as well, because it allows me to create a groups of the task. So I can create tasks which are personal, which are related to the community work which I do. It could be my grocery list as well, so I can just keep it updated, and at the end of the week I can go and buy them up. So it could be any kind of a task which you can group for a purpose, and I generally use that list to keep things in one place. And the best thing is, it is available on phone, it is available on browser, so I can manage it from anywhere. Now if I talk about the flow, the very first thing is, first I have to tell Siri a task as what I would like to add. Then Siri will capture that spoken words into text and then add it to the to-do list. Now we know that it goes through and it does the work, but how will I know that Siri has done the work? So what I have done for myself, I just get a confirmation from Siri that it has done completing the task adding into the to-do list. Now what I have to do is, I have to use a phone to build this, and I'm going to use my phone to build this, while I will bring it up here on the screen and then tell you as how I am building that up. So let me get my phone and start building it for you. The very first thing will be to open the shortcut app, and on this app you will see the built-in things from the Apple, but we're gonna create a new shortcut. So we're gonna click on that plus sign and it will bring you the new shortcut option. As per the flow, first we will be invoking Siri and saying a command, and that command is nothing but the shortcut name. Then we need to tell a task title or detail or whatever we call it into the Siri. So we need to capture the spoken voice. So first I will go and pull up here the command called as dictate text. So it's gonna go and capture what I am saying, and then it will go and add to the to-do list. So first I have to go and add a to-do, add task item here. Now it says add dictated text to the list, so I can go and change my to-do list over here. I'm gonna just select my task list, and then I have other options which I can configure in my task, add to my day, or maybe mark as important, and you can play more to give the reminder and due date details, but I will just keep it simple as of now. Now once that's done, I need to go back and confirm that it's done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again do a text command, say speak text, and here I will not need that seg text. I will just go and delete that and say done. Very simple. I will just say done. Now in this, as you see here, I will just show you again. Capture the dictated text, take that text and add it to the task list as an item, and then say done. Now since I'm doing a screen recording of the wording here, and then I will just go next, and I will give a shortcut name here, like say daily task. Once done. Now if you have to run this, you will be saying hey Siri daily task, and it will start. But for the testing purpose, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show you the task list as well. So on my task list, it's empty here as of now. I will go back here, open it up, and I'm gonna run using this triangle arrow at the bottom right corner, and it's gonna ask me, but it will not start the Siri operation fully, and it will not speak back as done. It will just show me on the screen. So let's run this. Create video for demo. So it has done. Now I'm gonna go and check that item. So it has created the task here in the to-do list, and then I can go and manage it. So I will be able to share this shortcut with you, and I will paste the link back into the description of the video. I will share the Apple article as well as how you can enable the untrusted shortcut, because it's not in the gallery, and then you can download my shortcut and play in your yourself. And I'm pretty sure this will help you to build quickly actions into your list. Yeah, with that I will stop here, keeping it short with a tip as how you can go and play back. If you're first time over here, feel free to follow me on Twitter or like my page, so you will know about the next video as soon as it is published. And do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.